This is a Kito Clamp from PRASANN Industry. The specifications of this Kito Clamp is 10 to 12 mm rope. It can be used in high tension lines. The specification of this Kito Clamp is 10 to 12 mm ropes. By using this lock, you can remove the pin. This facility is present only in our industry. Because we have a step here, it's not easily opens during the working. There is a smooth car below, which is made in a custom mode, and it is ready to deliver throughout India. Delivery charges apply. Please contact us. The product is ready to deliver throughout India and throughout world. Delivery charges apply. Kito Clamp from PRASANN Industry.